20% of the time, women have a lying boyfriend. Because do you know anybody on the planet Earth that has not lied? All right then. Thank you, Tiffany. Sprinkle. You are awesome. I don't know anybody that hasn't lied. I'm glad I came across your channel. How do you keep your options open in case your husband goes AWOL and gets a younger one? By looking good. That's the only way. By looking good, girl. My options are always going to be open as long as I look good. Invest in yourself. Okay. I mean, take Matthew Knowles and Tina Knowles, for example. He went for a younger woman, but look at his situation. And then what did Tina do? Just walked on over and, ended up married to some actor, Rick Fox cousin looking dude, and went on her merry way. Thank you, Lisa. Sprinkle. Real women pay their man's bills. They sure do. With their man's money. I pay James' bill with his credit card or his bank card. Because he'll forget. I just take his card and just type in the numbers. Because I'm a real woman, baby. Thank you, Groovy Squad. Groovy Sid. Fastest way to get over a guy who made so many excuses as to why he cannot commit. He's not the one, baby. He don't want to commit to you. Sprinkle. That he's trying to tell you in a nice way, you ain't the one. I don't want to commit to you. Just understand. That's what he's trying to tell you. Please, just listen to him. I'm trying to tell you, he don't want you like that. He'll sleep with you, but he ain't saying give you his last name or his commitment. Real women work and pay for their meals. I told you they do, yeah, with the man's card. They work, keep their money, and pay with the man's money, right?
YouTube. Good morning, fellas. Ferocious Mgtow here. And I'm currently not rolling, but I was just rolling a few minutes ago. I am at the customer. I'm already backed up to the pump, and he is offloading me now. And right across from the plant where I'm at is just a big open field that the plant owns. And look at the deer. I said, this would be nice. Just let me put this camera on and let you all look at the deer just over there, just grazing and feeding. And I said, wow, look at that. They're together as a family, as a clan, as a group. And it's just wonderful to see. They don't have all these human problems like we do. They just get up in the morning and just go wherever they go and eat and graze and just enjoy themselves. But enough of that. Just let you all hear a little bit of what my favorite post-wall BW, overweight too, I may add, overweight post-wall BW, more of her lessons to these females on how to deal, with us, men. And basically, she is instructing them to work if they choose and spend the man's money on bills and keep their money. I know we all know this, we all know this, but it's very interesting and very enlightening to hear it comes directly out of the cow's mouth. That is the part where we don't really hear often. And also she was mentioning that Another lady wrote in and said that how would she deal with a lying boyfriend? And she said, be a lying girlfriend. So, what makes her think? Now, she never even questioned it. Like, what makes you think that the man is lying? Matter of fact, if he is lying, why are you even with him? Okay? So I think she's just superimposing her lies, and she know that she lies a lot. So she's superimposing her behavior and projecting her behavior off on the man. See, I think that more so what it is, because if that was the case, if he was just a straight up liar, why are you with him? That would be the question I would have asked, but, you know, what do I know? I'm just a red pill man. Guess I don't know much, right? But she said in order for how to deal with it, she should be a lying girlfriend. Well, that's going to get you in trouble. But she never, I see she never points out how these women doing these maneuvers are going to get them in a world of trouble, especially when you're dealing with unstable and men that have mental health challenges. You know what I mean? Because a lot of guys go through life undiagnosed, and so that they're basically asking for trouble, if you ask me. You know, it's better just to get out of that situation and get somewhere where you are gelling or vibing with the other person, where you ain't got to worry about becoming a lying girlfriend. But, you know, what do I know, right? But yeah, guys, it never ceases to amaze me the fact that there are grown females, strags, walking around here in their 40s giving this type of advice to younger women. No wonder they get it all wrong. No wonder their lives are all messed up and they're sad and frustrated and bitter and angry and confused and misdirected. No wonder. And I guess we can't even call women elders. I guess only the elder term is only going to be reserved for men. Women can't be elders because the women that they are in charge of, the younger women that they're in charge of, look how they instruct them. It's more elaborate ways of manipulation and finesse. Lying, cheating. What did she say? My options. She said, "What are my options to make sure that I'm able to level up on my husband?" And she basically tell her, "You keep looking good. Invest in yourself. That way, your options are always open." Now she's telling this to a married woman. Your options are always open as long as you look good. So you need to invest in yourself, spend the man's money, and keep your money and invest in yourself, i.e. fake up, shoes, purses, dresses, costume jewelry, fake weave. So that's their comprehension when it comes to investment. And because she does these things, her options are always open, irregardless of the fact that the woman is married. So if you need any reason not to get married, I think that'd be a good one. These women feel their options are always open, even in a marriage. So you guys as married, man, I don't know. Sometimes it might be better to do a cost analysis to see if you are making a mistake by staying in. You know, I got divorced back in '02. Been divorced ever since. No way would I marry a Western woman ever again. No way, no how. But it's just amazing, man, to just hear these women think, to hear the words come out of her mouth. They're so cold, they're so callous, they're so corrupt. That they have no fear. That's because you got white knights with guns and badges that'll show up, that'll do their bidding for them. That's why they have no fear of doing these things. So you think you're living in a free society? You better think again. You're not living in no free society where the weaker species can lie, manipulate, and do all these evil things and get away with it, and nothing actually happens to them. At least on the short term. Maybe long-term mental health things are, but we don't even know what that is because we haven't even had enough time to study it. What are the long-term health consequences of what these women have been doing for the last 50 years? Somebody need to do a study on women 50 to 80 and see how their lives turned out. The vast majority of them. I would definitely like to see that. But it's just more ganging up on guys. That's all it is. Just ganging up on good men to bring us down to a level that they can basically do all this too. That's why they don't like alpha men. They don't like RedPill men. They definitely don't like Mgtow, because it makes us abreast and aware, and it educates us to the diabolical parasitic nature of the female. And because of that, along with our superior capabilities in pretty much every department, once we know their true nature, we're pretty much unbeatable. We're unstoppable. To be honest with you, I don't feel there's nothing they can do to me other than lie on me, but I have a plan for that. I think we all should definitely have dash cams. There's another thing one of the brothers said, man, you know, your channel don't just beat up on women. You actually offer, yeah, I do, real world solutions. So here go a real world solution, fellas. Everybody should go out and buy them between $150 and $200 dash cam. Get the one where you have what they call 3 channels. So that'd be forward facing, which means it'll show the road, inner cab, where it will show you, and then one on the back of the vehicle that'll show the back of the vehicle. And make sure that it has audio, right? And turn it on and make sure you get what they call loop recording. So it's like 45 minutes to an hour recording. It will record, and then once it gets to that hour, it automatically erase the first hour and starts a new hour. So basically it's a loop, right? And you can, and make sure it's Wi-Fi. That way it can, all you gotta do is download the app and do the Wi-Fi to your phone to get the footage, right? That way, at least while you in your vehicle, you always protected. You always got what they call it, a honest passenger. Okay. Also, I have a body cam. I haven't been using it, but I'm finna get another one because the one I got is not, the battery, the storage is not enough. I'm gonna get the one where it'll store, I think it'll store up to, I wanna say 15 hours or something like that, 10 hours. So I'm gonna get the body cam and I'm gonna get a paracord string, put it around my neck, and then just put it right on my chest like a badge almost. That way it'll show everywhere I go what I'm doing, and I have a permanent witness. So you want to have one in your car, and you want to get a body cam on you, right? Now I got a little bitty one. I'm gonna keep the little bitty one too. That way, everywhere I go, I got a record of it, okay? Because women will get to the point where they will just lie on you, and you want to have a record. And even when you do turn off the body cam, it has like a 22-hour. Get the one where it got 22-hour or 24-hour worth of recording time, where you can turn the film off and just hit the auto, and it'll record. So that way, if you get around certain folks and they're like, "Oh man, you filming us?" and like, "No, okay, I'm not filming." You can hit that button and turn the video off, but keep the audio rolling. They can't see that. That way, at least you got a record. And they know it's like, "Oh, it's illegal to do this, illegal to do that. It's illegal." Man, the hell with that. You may need that to come in handy. I could deal with the legalities of filming and audio, all that shit later. You know, that you can fight. And see, you fight a false allegation. That's something different. So that's just a little real world solution that I'm offering to you guys. It wouldn't cost you much. Body cam will run you about anywhere from 100 to 200, and then the type of dash cam I'm talking about will run you about 200. So $400, you're covered. You know what I mean? You on your vehicle, you're covered, and on your person, you're covered. Okay. Another thing is gold and silver. Have you guys seen what gold and silver is doing? It's snapping. So I'm gonna get back on my gold and silver buying. I don't have any gold right now, but I have silver. I probably got about 30 coins. So I'm gonna get to the point now where I'm gonna buy maybe, I don't know, I might take $100 every week, and that'll be enough to get me 4 silver coins. So I might just try to buy silver every week, and then I'm gonna do the math and see how much money I will have to put aside every month. And that way, at the end of the year, buy 1 gold coin, because gold is like, I think, $2,000. So I want to, like, every year just buy 1 gold coin, and then every week buy 1 silver. You know, that way it's like not a lot of money. It won't break the bank. It's sort of like my lunch money. You know what I mean? And one day I'll just look up and I'll have all this silver and all this gold, you know, probably right when I need it. You know what I mean? So that's something else that we can do. Excuse me. And everybody can do that. You know, just buy small amounts. That way, when you look up, you have a big treasure chest full. But okay, guys, I didn't want to keep you much. Plus, the operators is not too far away, so I don't know if they want me filming here or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off here, and then when I stop again, I'll bring you guys something else. But hope you guys are being safe. Hope everybody's well. Hope everyone is being good stewards of your health, because remember, nobody's gonna look out our health but us. And I'll try to bring y'all something a little later. All right, peace and hair grease.